Have you ever wanted to save someone's email address in Gmail so you never lose track of it again? In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to add an email address to your contact list in Gmail, updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Gmail on your preferred browser. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid of small dots. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, choose Contacts. This will open Google Contacts, where all your saved email addresses are stored. Inside Google Contacts, you'll notice everyone you've already saved. To add a new contact, click the Create Contact button, usually found at the top left. A small window will appear asking for details. Now, type in the name and email address of the person you want to save. Make sure you double check the spelling of the email. Even one small typo can cause messages to bounce or go to the wrong person. Once everything looks correct, click Save in the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully added an email address to your Gmail contact list. If you ever want to update an existing contact, simply open that person's profile in Google Contacts, click the pencil icon at the top, make your changes, and hit save again. Keeping your contact list up to date makes emailing faster, easier, and far more organized, especially if you communicate frequently for work or personal projects. I hope this quick guide helped you manage your Gmail contacts with confidence. If it did, make sure to leave a like, drop your questions in the comments, and check out more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.